Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are in Southwest Cape Coral and I want to show you this beautiful home, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a pool, with very nice kitchen and tile all throughout, high ceilings. You got to see this one. Let's go. Okay, as you come in, you have this beautiful living room. Check out the size of this place. Very nice high ceilings. You got the kitchen over there with your dinette on the back. This side takes you directly to the 2 bedrooms, and in this other side behind me, that will be the master bedroom. I'll get that later. Let me start with the area here. As you can see, that's your dining room. I'm sorry there's only that little table, those 2 chairs, but the owner already started taking some stuff out. So that will be your dining room area. Now let's go down this hallway. Over here to your left, you're gonna have the laundry. The light takes a little while to turn on, but give it a little, then it'll turn on. Bam, it's on, okay? So over here, you got a lot of cabinets on the top of the washer and dryer. You have your nice, really nice washer and dryer here, whirlpool, and you have another closet over here. Behind that door, you got the garage. The owner has a lot of stuff inside, so I don't want to show you some of all the stuff that he has there, so let's keep moving on. Over here, you have the first bedroom, okay? You can see it's a pretty nice size. When you move over here, so you can visualize the size. Okay. One of the reasons why the room turns to be dark is those the shutters that this house have. See those shutters there? They have in all the rooms, and a lot of people put those shutters in to reduce the direct light hitting the home inside, so it keeps it cooler. So in the summer, it's not that hot. We have sold a lot of homes with those type of shutters. A lot of people like them. They love it because they save a lot of money in AC. That's what they say. And also some of them don't like it and take it off because they want more brightness inside the house. Even though they're adjustable. I'll show you in the other room what I mean. Over here's this is the guest bathroom. You got granite countertop, wood cabinet. And over here, let's move to the second bedroom. See, second bedroom, it's also pretty nice big size. You see you have that beautiful glass window on the top, and you can see they also has the shutter. The only difference is the shutters are adjustable. So this shutter actually is being pushed up. So it gives a lot more light in it, and it still does it first, so I'm not getting the direct sunlight. But you know, if you like it, comment below if you like this type of shutter, if you like it brighter, or if you like this type of shutter. Just want to know what people are thinking about this shutter. And you can see, you know, the room is a pretty nice size. And one of the things that I like about this room is that you have your slider that leads to the pool. Okay, we'll get to that later. Okay. Now let's move back. Now over here, there's your kitchen. Let's come back to that later. I'm gonna first do the master bedroom and the master bath. Then we'll move to the kitchen and then we'll go out to the pool. So here your master bedroom, your high ceilings. You have a nice slider aiming at the pool, so you can see everything going on in the pool in your bed. Okay, and the room is nice big size. You can see. Let's stand over here so you can visualize. Then over there to the end, that's the master bedroom, bathroom, sorry about that. And over here is your slider that takes you out to the pool. Okay, we'll get that in a little while. Okay, let's go to the master bathroom. So you walk in, you got a closet on each side. Then you have over here, you have a beautiful granite countertop, very stylish sink on both sides. You got your nice shower, very modern. I like the pebbles on the floor. And over here you got your tub. And then over here you got your other sink, granite countertop with fancy sink. And then in here you got your closet toilet. Okay, so it's very nice. I love these mirrors. They're very nice and fancy. Okay, now let's continue. As I already told you, the floor, it's tile, imitates wood. It's beautiful. It's all the whole house has it. It's very nice, except that the master bathroom inside is different, but the whole home, it's all this. Also, the kitchen has a different floor. But one of the nice details is that when you go from one floor to the other floor, you have this pebble here. So it's really nice, very decorated. Okay, let's go now and let's do the kitchen. The kitchen, as you can see, it's just beautiful. All stainless steel KitchenAid appliances. Here's your nice refrigerator. Over there is your oven and your stove. And I'll go around so you can see the whole thing, okay? Let me go around here. Here you got a pantry. There's your dishwasher. Your nice sink. The nice thing is if you have want to entertain people, it's perfect. People are here in the living room. You're cooking here, preparing. You could be talking to them. Also, that big slider that is there, you could actually move back all the way behind the wall. I'll show you when I go outside. And that also opens up all that area there. So during October, November, when the temperature starts getting cooler, people tend to open up everything. So that way you have this whole area is open up. People that are in the pool, you can be talking from them from here. I mean, it's pretty cool. This house has a really nice layout. Also over here, let me show you the nice cabinets. Very nice. And you got a really nice stove and your KitchenAid microwave. It's a microwave and an oven, both of them together. And over here you got your dinette set over here. Here you can have your breakfast in the morning, and the nice thing, you got that bay window that you could be looking outside through the pool. Very nice. You stand over here so you visualize the size. It's very spacious. And the high ceilings are amazing. Let me show you. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go outside and show you the pool. As I was telling you before, this is the slider that I was talking. This slider goes all the way to the back, and with that section over there with the wall, everything goes behind that piece. So all of this right here opens up. So let's go and check out the pool. The pool is a pretty nice big size. One of the nice things that it has, the pool, is that you have that wall that from the bottom covers all the bottom, so it's very private. You got a lot of privacy here. Screens, you know, above, so it's really nice. I think that rocks right there, that's a waterfall. Right now it's off, but it would have been nice. I would have turned it on, but I don't even know where to turn it on. So sorry about that. And so as you can see, you got your coconut trees. Beautiful view. This is what Florida it's all about. Let me show you over here. You see you have a lot of place for, you know, chairs. And check out the pool. Over here you got your area for barbecue. You're gonna like a stainless steel shelf. So also over here, see, this is the other pool area shot. And basically, you know, I hope you enjoy this video and tell me what you think about this house. If you're looking for property over here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Naples, feel free to contact us. My wife and I have been selling real estate for over 20 years in this area. So, and please give me comments. And for my subscribers, please tell me what you think about this new camera. I'm working on it, trying to make it better so the video comes out nicer. So let me know what you think about this new camera that I got. And I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one.